Now I'm going to do this little sticky up petal. It looks like a finger. It's a, so I'm just getting a little mix of a slightly dulled mix. So it's quinacridone magenta, permanent rose with a tiny little bit of the indention blue. So here's my palette. Here's my palette. Here's the mix that I've done. So it's a slightly dulled out version. And I'm just going to do a, careful to stay away from, this will be a wee bit duller than that. Careful to stay away from that petal. So I'll just leave a little gap there. And I'm just doing a little, like I've just painted a line up that side of that petal. And then I'll go in with my brush. This is probably a too big a brush, but I can't see my other brush right now. And I'm just going to stay away from the edge of that other petal and just soften the edge of that out so it drifts out across that petal. And there's a couple of little tiny darker streaks. So I'll just get a little wee brush and pick up some of that dark. You can see I've got a darkish mix there. A little bit of that, but not too wet. So I'll give that a little tap on my towel to temper it. And then I'm just going to do a couple of little, can you see me, what I'm doing here? I'll stretch out my pen. And I'll just do a couple of little stripes like that. It's not actually a strong enough mix, and I can see that because the water is pushing out into the other. So I'll just mix up a little bit stronger. Not too much on my brush. And wet and dry like so. I'll just put a couple of stripes as if there's a little fold in that petal at the top.